Solved problems. Cost of production and profit. Calculation of cost of production and profit. Problem. Following information are as follows. Opening stock of raw material 40,000. Purchase 100,000. Primary packing of raw material 2,000. Closing stock of raw material 20,000. Direct labor 200,000. Factory overhead 30,000. Office overhead 10% of direct labor. Selling and distribution cost of rupees 5 per unit sold. Units sold 3,500 units. Units produced 3,000 units. Closing stock of finished goods 500 units. Profit 20% on sales. Required A. Material used. B. Factory cost. C. Cost of goods sold. D. Total cost. And E. Profit. Solution. A. Materials used. Opening stock of raw material 40,000. Purchase of raw material 100,000. Primary package raw materials 2,000. Less closing stock of raw material 20,000. Materials used 122,000. Factory cost. Materials used as calculated above is 122,000. Add direct labor 200,000. Factory overhead 30,000. Factory cost 352,000. Cost of goods sold. Materials used as calculated above 122,000. Add direct labor 200,000. Cost of goods sold 322,000. Total cost. Factory cost as calculated above 352,000. Office overhead 20,000. Selling and distribution overhead 3,500 units at the rate of 5 per unit 17,500. Total cost 389,500. Profit. Total cost 389,500. Profit is equal to 20% of sales. Therefore, total cost is equal to 80% of sales. Therefore, profit is equal to total cost by 80 into 20. 97,375. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.